Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. We just wrapped up the 10-day wire bracelets to make and sell challenge. I'll link up the playlist of tutorials in the description below the video, and today I'm going to show you how to measure your wrist for a bracelet. I ordered this measuring tape on Amazon, and you can use this type of thing to measure your wrist. Basically, you want to pull it in and measure the largest part of your wrist around where the bone is, and then you would add about 1/2 inch to make a regular bracelet. If you want to do a bangle bracelet, you would cup your hand like that, and you would pull in the measuring tape to measure for the bangle bracelet. Now, I did create this template that will be available in my 10-day wire bracelets to make gift and sell ebook. It has all the popular sizes and it has in inches and centimeters. What you would do is just cut it out around where the tape is. Cut the end into a point. I would advise covering this with Mac Tack or clear tape so it's more solid and you can reuse it. If you want to cut the slit, you can cut it with an X-Acto knife or simply fold it in half and give it a little clip. So to use this, it would be the same as the plastic one. You're going to put it around your wrist. You put the end through, and we're going to pull it. I have very small wrists, so this one says about 5 3/4. So I would add another 1/2 inch to make it at least 6 1/4, maybe 6 1/2 inches. And if you want to check your hand for the bangle, you're going to hold it like that, bring it up, make sure it's going to come off. It's really snug for this. If I go like this, it's going to be more like 7 1/2 inches. The other way you can measure is to get a string and just put it around your wrist to measure it, or you can simply get a strip of paper. If you need a longer measurement, just cut a strip, put it around here, bring it around. We're going to hold it on top, and then here, make sure it's on the widest part here, and then you can just bend it back, and then you would measure that length. If you need a longer piece for the bangle, same thing. We're going to put our hand here, we're going to bring it around, and then we'll bend it back where the bangle should be, and then you would measure that. In the challenge, I use this bracelet mandrel to make the round forms. I also ordered this one with the measurements. There's lots of options on Amazon. You can even use a round form if you like, and you'll find all kinds of other direction in the 10-day wire bracelets to make gift and sell challenge. Also in the ebook, there's all kinds of tips about pricing, selling, and all the resources you need for materials and tools. I'll link up the ebook in the description below the video, and be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% anytime you purchase 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in the Etsy DIY shop. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you everybody for sharing your amazing bracelets in the 10-day challenge. Look out for the upcoming slideshow where you'll be able to see everybody's amazing creations. You can also see a lot of the work in the community section of my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching everybody, and we'll see you the next time.